Alright.
You sound like Darth Vader.
Yeah. Gloves.
Goggles.
Goggles. Head sock. And this respirator. It's meant for painting. This is cheap. It's like $1.30 for the head sock. Gloves are cheap. It's nice. Take it off and throw it away when you're done.
The mask is
nice
like $40, isn't it?
Yeah. Yep. There it goes.
The color we chose is Alabaster. It's a Sherwin Williams coat.
This is how you prime it. So right now it's set for the paint to be sent to the gun. Switch it down. And that primes the machine, so it pulls the paint from the bucket into the tube and out through the waistline. And so now it's primed. So on this guy, this is a pretty simple one, but it has different spray volumes on the walls. So it's got a low spray and then a higher spray. For the walls, we've been using a higher spray, so it puts more paint down. So now it's ready to go.
Supposed to overlap your fastest.
Here you're supposed to overlap them halfway.
So this is just giving you a nice texture and making sure that the paint is really stuck to the wall.
Evens things out too.
And it evens it out, yeah. Why even spray if you have to roll? That's the question we're probably gonna get. Because you can spray a lot more paint on and a lot quicker with the sprayer.
Yep.
And the roller, you'd have to go back and get paint and go back. You know, it's like back and forth a ton with the roller. And a lot of energy spent rolling.
Yep, totally agree.
So, because we rolled a couple other rooms in our house and it just took days and days to do it. But how long did it take you to spray these 2 rooms?
It's taking me an hour and a half.
An hour and a half.
2 rooms and a bathroom.
And then just going over it once with the roller is no big deal. You don't have to go back and forth and get new paint. So that's why it saves you a lot of time and energy.
But the catch, the offset, is when you spend all the time to take things off.
Yeah.
And prepare for the sprayer.
But you're basically taping off anyway. So you might as well just
Go a little.
Put some plastic on the tape that you already taped off.
Some plastic.
Yeah. Or brown paper.
We're definitely not professionals. We're learning.
But this is the best way we've learned.
And so far, it's been pretty good.
Yeah. Alright, we have some runs going on right here from the sprayer. So we're going to just roll over it. Gives it a really good texture. There you go.
And the reason why you roll.
Mm-hmm.